All right, I have my head of lettuce, and I'm just gonna cut it down the middle. And then I'm gonna cut it so it's in a quarter shape. And then I'm gonna run water through it, and we're gonna dry it really well. I have a spin dryer, and we're gonna dry them, and then we're going to start assembling. All right, now our wedges are washed, spin dried, and ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and dice up my tomato. Let me cut a little tip of that so I'll have an even. And I'm using small dices. Make sure you have a very sharp knife when dicing tomatoes. If not, you'll see why. You won't be able to. And get firm tomatoes too. That makes a difference as well. So we're gonna just put these to the side. I'll go ahead and dice up all of it. And then we got our bacon ready. We got our cheese crumbles. All right, so here's our bacon. And this is 3 strips of bacon. Of course, you can use more. All right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up this wishbone dressing. I should have opened it up first. All right. And shake it up a little bit. Give it a shake, 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 shake. All right. And then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna pour the dressing on top. All right. And we're gonna put some tomatoes on top of that. Bacon. And I'm gonna make sure I do half, save half. And of course, our crumbles. And there you have it. And I'll just do the other, same way. Tomatoes. This is so simple. And for the life of me, I don't understand why they charge so much for this little wedge salad in the restaurant. I just don't understand. Can anybody tell me why? Give me a shout out and tell me why they charge so much. All right, so here we are with our wedge salad. That's going to go along with my Cajun pasta. That's right. It's Cajun pasta time and wedge salad time. So we're going to drop the mic and grab the fork, and we're going to get down with the get down. Y'all, hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. Have a great evening. Be blessed. Love you much. Mwah.
All right, man. Go ahead. You got to come. All right. I'll talk to you later. Love you. Okay. Bye.